Welcome to the BUZUD Blood Lipid Analyzer operating instructions. Before we begin, ensure you have everything you need: the instruction manual, test strips, siphon pipette, lancing device, lancet, lipid analyzer, decoder, and batteries. Step 1. Prepare testing equipment. With the device powered off, insert the decoder from the front side facing up. Power on the analyzer and confirm the on-screen code matches the code on your test strip box. Important: ensure the decoder is inserted with the front side facing up and never insert it while the device is on. Once configuration is complete, the device will power off automatically. You may now remove the decoder. Open the BUZUD app on your smartphone. Tap the plus icon in the top right. Scroll to find the device icon and tap it. Switch on your analyzer. Tap Scan. Select your analyzer from the Bluetooth list. You'll now find it under My Devices, and its icon will appear on the device page when connected. Prepare the lancing device. Open the lancing device and insert a new lancet. Insert the lancet and press firmly until fully seated. Twist off the lancet cap and keep it aside for later disposal. Replace and tighten the lancing device cap. Rotate the tip to select your preferred depth. The larger the number, the deeper the needle penetrates. Pull back the bottom of the lancing device to prepare it for use. Step 2. Power on and insert the test strip. Remove a strip from the vial. You'll see 3 red lights at the strip port and a strip icon on screen. This indicates readiness. The icon will flash slowly, indicating the lipid analyzer is ready for the test strip to be inserted. Insert the test strip upwards into the analyzer. Do not insert it upside down, backside up, or after powering on in the wrong sequence. When inserted correctly, the icon will flash rapidly, then a blood drop icon will appear and flash. The analyzer is now ready for your sample. Step 3. Prick your finger. You may use either the lancing device or a disposable lancet. Massage from the base of the palm towards the fingertip. Clean the site with an alcohol swab and allow it to air dry completely before lancing. Press to prick with your chosen device. You may use the lancing device to press and prick at the sampling site, or use the disposable lancet and press the button to collect blood. Step 4. Collect the blood. Gently squeeze your finger to form a drop. Wipe away the first drop with the tissue. Using the pipette, keep it almost horizontal with the bulb slightly angled upwards. Avoid holding the pipette upright or tilting it downwards, as this can cause air bubbles and inaccurate results. Do not squeeze the bulb during collection. The pipette will automatically draw the blood up to the marked line. Gently squeeze your finger to form a drop. If blood flow is slow, lower your hand below heart level. Massage towards the fingertip, or, if needed, lance again. Ensure the sample reaches exactly the mark. No more, no less. Do not touch the side of your finger with the pipette tip. Step 5. Transfer the sample. When the blood drop icon flashes on the analyzer screen, you're ready to apply the sample. Place the pipette tip against the edge of the small opening on the strip and drip the blood into the port. Do not touch the bottom of the opening with the tip. Squeeze the bulb to release all the blood onto the strip. The analyzer will start automatically, and the test will take approximately 2 minutes. Step 6. Read the results. When analysis is complete, your total cholesterol value will appear on screen. Press the S button to view additional parameters, including HDL cholesterol, triglycerides, total cholesterol to HDL ratio, and LDL cholesterol. You can also view these values in the BUZUD app. Open the BUZUD app on your smartphone. Scroll up and down to view various health indicators. Open the lancing device and insert a new lancet. Press the used needle into the lancet cap you removed earlier. Use the slider on the back of the lancing device to eject the needle safely. Dispose of all used materials in accordance with local regulations.